on, everyone? I'm out here in Rowlett, Texas at this beautiful home. It has a beautiful sized yard, 3 beds, 2 baths, going for $21.95 a month. This is a rental. Nice sized porch, starting off with, big enough for you to put your chairs and tables. Stepping in, first room we see is the dining area. Spacious, the kitchen area. Then it's also washing machine and dryer. Goes right there. Got yourself a pantry right here. Then your refrigerator will go right there. There's plenty of space to do your cooking. Stainless steel appliances. Nice deep sink. On to the living room. Wood burning fireplace with a nice sized mantle up there. And that's the entry. We also have a coat closet. Hallway, utility closet, your HVAC system and hot water heater. And then we got the first bathroom. So forgive me, y'all, my voice is going out. If I sound a little scratchy. We are in the first bedroom with a decent sized closet. Also has a decent space to it. All right, that noise was me hitting my head. I walked into the wall. Then we're into the second bedroom. Much bigger than the first one. With also a much bigger closet. Good size. And then the hallway closet. Plenty of storage for you to put towels or books or whatever. And then we're in the primary bedroom. Much more space than first and second. It's like the 2 rooms combined plus more space. And it's like double the size of the closet in the second bedroom. There's plenty of closet space. And then there is the bathroom. So yeah, this home is going for $21.95. I am a realtor out here in the DFW. Can help you find a home quickly. All right, now we're going out to the sunroom. The sunroom has a closet. It goes back. And then there is let me get these lights. It's getting kind of dark. It's a 2-car garage. It's pretty spacious in here. Ceilings are pretty tall. As y'all can see with that ladder. Pretty tall ceiling. And as I mentioned, really nice sized backyard. We're out here in Rowlett, y'all. Nice sized backyard. It's a corner lot. It's locking up right now. But if you are looking for a home in the DFW, I am your guy. And when it comes to these rentals, most landlords are looking for 3 times the monthly rent. You need to make at least 3 times the monthly rent amount. You need to have a decent credit score. 600 and above is best. Even better, 620 and above. Then you need to have no evictions, no property debt, no broken leases. And if you do have any of that, make sure it's taken care of. Make sure that you get a letter saying that the eviction of the property debt was taken care of, and that'll work in your favor. Also, no criminal history, especially violent crimes. If you do have a criminal background, make sure that you have a good letter stating what happened and what went on, to explain your case, to give you the best opportunity to get into one of these rentals. If y'all got any questions, you need help finding a rental out here in the DFW, you need help moving, my name is Mario Cottman. Realtor ID is 0776351. Easy to look me up, easy to find me, and everywhere. Just trying to get all these lights. All right, there we go. There we go. Phone number is 214-554-7743. And website is mario.callitclosed.com. You can find me everywhere if you just Google me. I am here to help. You're looking to get an apartment, looking to get a house, looking to get any type of rental, looking as far as living goes, looking to buy a house, I'm your guy. There are mosquitoes out here. We're not too far from the lake. So there's tons of mosquitoes out here. I'm your guy. Hit me up. That's Mario Cottman. I look forward to helping you find your home.